Tanmay from class 6.
Let's look at the headlines. Celebration of Mahatma Gandhi Ji and Lal Bahadur Shastri's birth anniversary.
Begin of first semester and midterm examination.
Celebration of Dasara festival.
Celebration of Kannada Rajyotsava.
Organizer English Fair and Teachers and Parents Meeting.
Organizer of Division Level Sports Meet and Cultural Meet on 4th November 2023 and 5th November 2020.
Celebration of Children's Day.
Celebration of Tulsi Festival.
Celebration of Kanakadasa Jayanti.
Must be the change you want to see in the world. We have celebrated Mahatma Gandhi Ji's and Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji's birth anniversary on 2nd October 2023 in our school. Under this celebration conducted Shramadana program. All the students cleaned their classes and ground happily. After Shramadana program, all the students assembled in the function hall. Our honorable principal Mr. Mahadev sir, LPS, HPS, HS and college coordinators involved in this celebration. Some students spoke few words about Gandhiji and Lal Bahadur Shastri. Our honorable principal Mr. Mahadev sir spoke few words about Gandhiji's life and Shastriji's life. First semester and midterm examination began on 4th October 2023. Before examination, all the students completed their classworks. The teachers also given them practice and clarify their doubts according to their subjects. Then the students had written the exam with preparation and enthusiastically. We had celebrated Dasara festival on 23/10/2023. The CEO of BGS Group of Institution Chikkaballapura, Dr. N. Shivaram Reddy sir took part of this celebration. Then our honorable principal Mr. Mahadev sir, coordinators and all the staff involved in these celebrations. All bus drivers cleaned their buses and decorated their buses with flowers. Our principal did puja to all the buses and also wished and distributed sweets to all the staff. Celebration of Kannada Rajyotsava. ಹಸಿರಾಗಲಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ಉಸಿರಾಗಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ, ತಾಯಿ ಕನ್ನಡಾಂಬೆಗೆ ಜಯವಾಗಲಿ. Kannada Rajyotsava was celebrated on November 1, 2023. Our Honorable Mr. Mahadev sir, LPS, HPS, HS and college coordinators participated in this program, including all the teachers and students involved in this program. Our Honorable Principal sir hoisting the Karnataka flag in this program. Some students spoke few words about Kannada Rajyotsava and our Honorable Principal Mr. Mahadev sir spoke few words regarding this program. Celebration of English Fair and conducted parents and teachers meeting. Literature is the most agreeable way of ignoring life. English Fair had organized on 13/11/2023 by English Department and also conducted parents and teachers meeting. It was celebrated in a different manner. The children enthusiastically participated in this program and many models are presented from LPS students and some of the students presented the moral stories and exhibited articles related grammar. Some of the students presented the PPT presentation about the grammar. The Honorable Chief Guest of this program, Mr. Bhaskar Gowda, is CEO of Shidlagatta. He was guided the teachers, parents and children about role of the teachers, role of the parents and importance of education and all-round development of students. Our Honorable Principal Mr. Mahadev sir spoke few words about this program. Approximately 400 to 500 parents has attended this program and they have visited and heard the demonstrations of model which was held by LPS children for their exhibition regarding English language. Children are like birds in a garden and should be carefully and lovingly nurtured as they are the future of the nation and the citizens of tomorrow. We have celebrated Children's Day on 10 November 2023 on the occasion of birth anniversary memory of India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. Our Honorable Principal Mr. Mahadev sir, coordinators and teachers participated in this celebration. Our Honorable Principal Mr. Mahadev sir spoke few words regarding this celebration. Then all the nursery kids dressed with colorfully and all the teachers conducted many games for children. Then all children enjoyed lot on that day.
Tulsi Vivah is a significant Hindu festival where Lord Vishnu and Goddess Tulsi are symbolically married. It takes place on the Dwadashi Tithi of Shukla Paksha in the month of Kartik. We have celebrated Tulsi festival on 24th November 2023. We have decorated Tulsi plant with sari, jewels and flowers. Our Honorable Principal Mr. Mahadev sir participated in this program and spoke few words about this festival.
Realize that the body is only a vehicle for the soul's journey. We celebrated Kanakadasa Jayanti on 30 November 2023. Our respectful Principal Mr. Mahadev sir participated in this program. Some students spoke few words about Kanakadasa and our Principal Mr. Mahadev sir addressed the gathering.
Welcome to Special News.
Division level sports meet held on 4th November 2023 at SJCIT campus in Chikkaballapura. Our students participated in the sports meet and secured first and second place. Division level cultural meet held on 5th November 2023 at BGS English School Agalagurki in Chikkaballapura. Our students participated in cultural meet such as quiz, folk dance, verses recitation, etc. and grabbed first and second place.
Our BGS public school students participated district level competition. Many students won first and second place and selected state level competition.
Our school students participated Taluk level Pratibha Karanji program on 10th November 2023 at Government High School in Shidlaghatta and such as Bhagavad Gita Patana, folk song got first prize and verses recitation got second prizes.
Celebration of 26th state level Chinchadri Kalostava at Adi Chinchanagiri Shikshana in Mandya. Our students participated in the state level Kalostava and secured second place in essay writing. Conducted cognitive acceleration tournament for district students such as spelling, clay model, crosswords, Rubik construction, etc. All the students participated and won the prizes in the activities.